Hello everyone! So welcome back to MC at RTP channel. I'm Bella. And for today's episode, I would like to share about my family's horror story. I never imagined that I would say this out loud, but last month, my family discovered that our restaurant was not suffering from bad business. Instead, it was suffering from sorcery. Yes, real, intentional black magic, or we know as sihir. For years, it's not 4 years, okay? It's like bertahun-tahun. Strange things kept happening at our family restaurant. Customer would come to us and would tell us, we thought that your restaurant was closed, but the lights were on, you know. Yet somehow, to some people, it looked shut. But we tried to ignore it. We convinced ourselves, maybe people just did not notice our restaurant. But deep down, something fell off. Last month, everything took a darker turn. The same thing that once affected our restaurant returned. But this time, it targeted my mother. Not once, but twice. She suddenly got a fever. She struggled to sleep even when her body was exhausted. And the scariest part is, she kept smelling something foul inside the restaurant. A terrible smell that no one could detect. So at that moment, we knew that this was not normal. So my parents decided to go to our village at Mahadi, Thailand, because they want to try the traditional way to heal my mother. And then, the Ustad immediately knew what was happening and who sent it to my mother. But my mother refused to know who is the person. Because she said that, I don't want to know, I don't want to hate anyone, I just want to get better. Sometimes, choosing peace is harder than seeking revenge. And Alhamdulillah, my mother is slowly recovering after receiving the treatment from the Ustad at our village. But we still don't understand why someone would do this to our family. But the whole experience taught me something important. Evil doesn't always make a sound. Sometimes it hides quietly in the corners of our life. To people listening, life will sometimes put us through things we cannot explain. But healing begins the moment we decide to fight, to seek help, and to protect the people we love. And now, my family is finally learning how to breathe again. So that's all from me, and that's all the story from my family. And thank you for watching and listening to my story. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this channel. And thank you for watching at MC at RTP channel. Bye bye.